videotape that.
We were given a recommendation by someone to hire ReNu Kitchen to have our kitchen cupboards refaced. And the owner, Andy Junn, came. Actually, he came on a Sunday afternoon to give us a quote. And he was very, very professional, and we were very impressed by him. And so we decided, you know what, this is the type of company that we want to deal with. So we hired Andy's company, and his two very capable and professional staff came. Bill and Mark are their names. And within 2.5 days, my God, they transformed our kitchen cabinets and the completely different look in our kitchen, which was going to be continued to be renovated. And we were just thrilled with their work, very, very satisfied. And we would definitely recommend Andy Junn's company, ReNu Kitchen, and his staff to any of our friends and family. Thanks, guys. You did a great job.